Thailand, a country known for stunning islands and quality of life, many individuals face the challenges of debilitating eye conditions. But now there's a solution that offers hope and healing: advanced stem cell therapy from Stem Cell Care India. At Stem Cell Care India, we specialize in treating a wide range of complex eye diseases using the latest advancements in stem cell therapy. Whether you're dealing with optic nerve atrophy, ONA, retinitis, pigmentosa, age-related macular degeneration, optic neuropathy, or hypoplasia, glaucoma disease, retinal detachment, septo-optic dysplasia, or other conditions, our innovative treatments are designed to restore vision and transform lives. Stem cell therapy works by utilizing the body's natural regenerative power. These specialized cells replace damaged tissues, improve eye function, and promote healing in ways that were once unimaginable. India has become a global leader in regenerative medicine, combining cutting-edge research, experienced medical professionals, and affordable care. Stem Cell Care India ensures Thailand patients receive world-class treatment and a seamless medical journey. Our dedicated guest relation officers handle everything for Thailand patients, from visa assistance to medical appointments, transportation, and post-treatment care. With complimentary airport pickups, tailored dietary arrangements, and 24/7 support, we make your experience comfortable and stress-free. Restore your vision and embrace a brighter, more vibrant life with advanced stem cell therapy at Stem Cell Care India. Contact us today and let us guide you on your journey to recovery and renewed hope.